There you go. Nice. Get your head up, get your head up. Don't let him guillotine you. Nice. Push it over.
Yep, get that arm free and sit back.
Yep. Keep that cross face and pull the arm out.
Yep. Keep your butt low, pull it back, posture back a little bit. Put some strain on that guard, make sure you can't close it. Open it back up now. Try to get that arm out. There you go. Good. Sitting back, keep your arms together.
Keep the head up, keep the head up.
Hands on the bladder.
There you go.
Break the guard. Yeah, posture back now. Good. Yep. Go ahead. Really heave on it now. Heave on it.
Next up on ring number 3, men's no-key beginner middleweight, Elliot Belhans, Nicholas Arndt, Charles LaRose, Jeff Williams, James Ware.
Push down with your elbows. There you go. Push on his armpits. Push on his armpits. Keep him back. Put your knee into his tailbone. There you go. Knee in the tailbone. Knee in the tailbone. Arms in.
Hands in low. Keep those elbows to the inside.
Watch out for the sweep.
He's got a good guard.
Yeah.
That sucks.
Come on, babe. Come on.
Yep, push that elbow up.
Also, ring number 3, men's no-key beginner middleweight, Patrick Randall.
There you go.
There you go. Knee in, put your knee in the tailbone. There you go. Put the knee over his leg. There you go. Slice the knee. Nice.
Keep that position. Keep that position.
You got the points. Got the points. Nice. Hold it. Hold it.
Hold it now.
You got it. Got the points.
That now. Make sure you reach out with those hands, right? Keep a good base. Keep those knees up, pinch in a little bit.